Today, we're making ground beef tacos, one of my absolute favorite meals. Honestly, I could eat this every day. They're so delicious, I don't even know how to explain it. You just have to try this recipe. This is my version. Simple, flavorful, and so satisfying. First, we cook the ground beef. Since I'm using fatty beef, I don't add any oil. It cooks in its own juices. Then I add 2 medium onions finely chopped and cook them together until soft and fragrant. Next, I season with salt and black pepper. I like to keep it simple. For me, these are the most important flavors. Then I add tomato paste and mix everything well, letting it cook until the onions are soft and everything is nicely combined. As you can see, it's cooking in its own rich sauce. And now our filling is ready. Let it rest for a bit. Now for the tortillas. I'm using white flour tortillas for this recipe. First, I lightly oil one side. This helps make the tacos crispy when baking. Then I fold them like this and place them on the tray, almost like empanadas. Now we add the filling, about 1 tablespoon into each taco. Then I add some cheese. I'm using mild cheddar. And a little more cheese on top for extra crispiness and flavor. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until golden and crispy. And just look at that, they're ready. Now, while they're still hot, we add more cheese inside so it melts perfectly. Then I add 2 slices of tomato to each taco, some fresh iceberg lettuce, And finally, my favorite, Mexican crema. Just about 1 tablespoon. It makes everything creamy, juicy, and so delicious. And that's it. Our tacos are ready. Crispy on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside. Just look at that filling. The combination of the meat, tomato, and creamy sauce is incredible. I highly recommend you try this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.